What's up everybody? Thanks for joining me again on another episode. I just want to say big shout outs to everyone who is subscribing, who is following, who is sharing our videos. Keep up the good work. Today I'm going to share with you one of my meal prep recipes. It's the orange habanero chicken. Make we start. So for today's recipe, this is what you're going to need. About 1.5 cups of orange juice, some honey, we got here pimento berries and a stick of cinnamon, salt and pepper, some thyme, and 1 habanero. Please don't play a hero and touch the seeds, it will go burn you. Alright, and if you watch previous episodes, you'll see my seasoning mix in it. I'll also put the link in the description below. So that's what I use to marinate my chicken here. And we got 4 chicken thighs, and we're gonna make it delicious. Now we're gonna work on the glaze for our chicken, the orange habanero. So we're gonna put in our orange juice and probably about 1/4 cup of honey. And I got the habanero. In Jamaica we call it Scotch bonnet pepper. All I did was cut it in 4, and I'm just gonna throw it in there. Please don't touch it with your hand. Alright. Then we got 1 stick of cinnamon and about 1.5 tablespoons of pimento berries. Very important, pimento berry. And then we also have some thyme. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna break that thyme in half. So we're gonna put half on the actual chicken and half inside the glaze. Alright, so we're gonna put this on the stove, let it reduce to about half, and then we're all good to go. Alright, so now we're gonna prepare the chicken for the oven. And remember, I use the seasoning mix that I made. I'm gonna put the link in the description below so you can check out that marinade mix. But the chicken is all marinated, everything look nice. So we're gonna now put your thyme at the bottom of the pan that you're gonna roast it in, right? And then you're gonna turn the chicken thighs, whatever parts of the chicken, skin side down, right? And then we're just gonna season with some salt and pepper. Right? And why I say skin side down is because we're gonna put this in the pan and we want the skin side to be up. Alright? So now, skin side up. Skin side up. Then, and then now we're gonna season the top. And don't be stingy with the salt. Now we have our orange habanero glaze and our chicken after about 20 minutes in the oven. And what we're gonna do now is drizzle it on. And we're gonna do this every 8 to 10 minutes of it being cooking. We're gonna cook it for about 45 minutes to 50 until it reaches 165 degrees internally, or until your chicken is finished cooking. Our chicken is out the oven looking really beautiful. Now it's time to plate up and enjoy.